Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find, where you can find the prize item reward on Dress to Impress after you've won the Style Showdown rounds. Game. So go here and, go to the dressing rooms and you'll be able to see it here underneath this section. So I would just, actually they're in every section, you'll be able to see it, but just go to this one and you get these cool gloves, you get this headpiece as well as this super awesome dress. The dress has many toggles as well, like shirt only, well the top only, skirt only, but it's such a cool outfit in my opinion. But yeah, that is it for this video. That is where you can find the Style Showdown dress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.